This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You'll start by exposing the internals. Remove the 4 visible rear screws with the correct driver, then insert a plastic spudger into the seam and work around gently. You want to separate the front and back without bending clips, because broken clips complicate reassembly. Once the halves begin to lift, use steady pressure and small increments. This minimizes stress on the plastic. Make sure screws and small parts go into a container so nothing gets lost before you continue. Once open, remove the battery and unplug any visible ribbon cables, using a spudger to lift connectors gently so pins don't bend. Next, unscrew the small boards holding thumbsticks and the face button PCB. Lift boards by their edges to avoid static damage. You'll see small clips and pads. Note their orientation for reassembly because they're keyed. If a ribbon is locked, flip its latch up first, then slide the cable free. Keep screws grouped by board to simplify putting it back together. To finish, reverse the steps. Seat each ribbon into its connector and lock the latch, then position PCBs and screw them down while keeping parts aligned. Once everything is connected, snap the shell halves together and reinstall the 4 screws. Before tightening fully, power the controller and test buttons and thumbsticks so you can reopen quickly if something misseated. If a control fails, make sure the ribbon is fully inserted and not upside down. Damaged ribbons or bent pins are the most common faults.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.